I wish to express my sincere gratitude to all participants for your invaluable contribution to this summit. Together, let us chart a course towards a future filled with new partnerships, innovations, and opportunities that will shape the destiny of tourism in Zanzibar. With these remarks, with great pleasure, I now declare the second edition of the Z Summit Zanzibar Tourism and Opportunities 2024 officially opened. Thank you very much.
The Z Summit is part of a movement whereby we promote Zanzibar tourism within. It's one of the important summits happening in Zanzibar.
It was quite productive. Being the second year, last year was very promising and this year has improved.
And I have found the experience to be quite enlightening. I've met with a lot of suppliers and some agents as well.
Always a very good opportunity to get new business. So if you were not here this year, I think you should really consider to come next year.
A big thanks to all our sponsors who have done a very great work for this year to make sure we are very successful, and the event has been a wonderful event for the rest of the other people who have been exhibiting.
Welcome to Zanzibar, and we look forward to welcome you on the third edition of Z Summit in 2025.